Hey everyone, this is Rasika. I welcome you to my channel. This is my first ever full-length video on this channel, so I was thinking of various topics to draw. I wanted it to be accessible as a source, but also fun to draw. So I thought, why not draw my own hand? So that is what we are doing today. You can sketch your own hand or feel free to use mine as a reference. If you're using your own hand, make sure you look at where the light source is from, because as you can see in this one, the light source is from above, so the shadows are on the downside. So that's what you'll have to take care of. You can also see that I am using a very freestyle sort of a method, unlike various established artists who use very precise ways of drawing. That's because I learned all of it on my own, so I'm just using my own method. I just like enjoying art, so I've also given certain instructions in between as to what I'm focusing on at that moment of drawing. They're just acting like guidelines, so yeah. In case of shading, I have a very, I think it is unorthodox way of shading, because I just have no particular precise way. Again, like I said, the artists have. I just shade wherever I want. I think it looks irritating in the beginning, but the final results are usually bearable. I don't really mind doing this sort of shading. I think it depends upon what you enjoy, so yeah. Also, the nails that you're seeing right now, I know that you are not seeing that angle. It's just that the phone is kept like above my head, so you are seeing a little bit different side of my hand. That is why the nails are not drawn from your perspective. I will take care of it from next time. hope you liked it. If you did, do like and subscribe, and I will make more qualitative videos from next time onwards.